the best background eraser application out there today, and we'll show you guys how to use it like a this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So here's a lot of feature we can use this application here. You have the photo ID, you have the AI background, which pretty much showcase down here. As you can see, you have the AI background there, you have the AI filter here, you have the AI expand mode there, you have the AI hairstyle mode. So very easy to use. Or let's say for example here, it pretty much shows you what happens once you try this feature here. If you want to give it a try, get upon it, try it now or try it. So down here you have some other features as well, some templates which you can also use as well. So some of them you may need subscription to use those. The ones with the crown icon, you're gonna need subscription to use those. So there are a lot of them, guys. As you can see here, if I scroll down, it goes on and on and on and on. So a lot of features which you can use. You have the magic wings, and if you want to use any one of these features, this applies to any one of these. Here, all you have to do is stop on, let's say for example this one here, and replace it with your image. Whether it be you, it will automatically remove the background for you and add your image. So to get the best results, I do recommend you, I'm gonna say this real quick, I do recommend you using the remove background feature. If you're gonna use that feature there, do take a clear picture of yourself and then remove the background of that image, and then you use the templates as you can see here. And once you have done that, you pretty much will get great results when using it. Same thing for this here. Take a clear picture of yourself, remove the background, and then go ahead and use this option here where it says replace. So for example, this person here, even this, sometimes it will clear the background for you. As you can see here, it will clear the background for you. And once I've done that, it will pretty much add that there. So you will see an ad, just skip off the ads once it's finished. So you can see here, just accept ads and it will be added there. And again, pretty much edit it a little bit more to your liking. So as you can see here, the other editing tools down here. Once you're finished, you just stop and save and you're pretty much good to go. Or you can pretty much edit the graphics of the image by putting up to 4K or 2K, but those require subscription. So once you have selected whichever one you want it to be, want it to P or that one there, I'm just going to select that one and then tap on save and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, for this section here. Sorry, more video. So any one of these features, same thing applies, guys. So to use the remove background feature, all you need to do is just tap on the remove background option and select the photo within your application. Once you have done that, it will pretty much remove the background for you. And you can also use these other things down here as well. So that's really pretty much it for this video. And I also have some different features we can use. As you can see, it already showcased what it pretty much does. And for the subscription, you can just tap on the crown icon at the top here. And this is where you go to see the subscription or purchase the subscription. And as you can see, you get a 3 days free trial to test out the subscription, the pro features. And if you like it, you can just get the official subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next.